Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Brandy and you're watching the Glam Belle, and today I'm here with another curly hair product review for y'all. I'm super excited to be testing out, demonstrating, and reviewing the MIELLE Organics curly hair product line for y'all. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm so happy to have you here. Please go ahead and subscribe before you leave so that you don't miss any more uploads, and go ahead and hit that notification bell down there so that you are notified of any new uploads, because for some reason YouTube is just being a pain when it comes to that. I do upload every single week, and let's get on with this video. I picked up 3 products from the MIELLE Organics line. They've got tons of products. You can find them in CVS, you can find them in Target. That's where I picked mine up. Of course, you can find them online as well. And these are considered drugstore, but it is a little bit pricier than most drugstore products. 2 of the products were $13.99 and one of them was, I think, $15.99. Yes, $15.99 for one of the products. I purchased their Detangling Co-Wash, and this is for dry and curly hair types. It is sulfate free and it is color safe. It's 100% Curly Girl Method approved. Lightweight moisturizer, soften and control frizz, made with detangling properties, making it easier to detangle while co-washing. It's made with natural and certified organic ingredients. It's supposed to help with breakage and shedding, which is something that definitely drew me into this product line. And it doesn't strip your hair of natural oil and moisture. You basically use this in place of your normal shampoo regimen. I don't typically do co-washes. I usually do just regular shampoo and conditioner, but I figured why not give it a try and see exactly how I feel about it, what I think about it. The second product that I picked up is the Moisturizing Avocado Hair Milk. This is what I thought was a styling product, but the more that I look at it and the more that I read the directions, it kind of looks like more of just a kind of moisturizer. I don't know. Is this a styling product or not? If y'all use this, let me know. It basically says that you can use it as a refresher, and since it said that you can use it to refresh the curls, I figured you could use it to style with on day 1 hair as well. You can use it as a daily moisturizer to hydrate your hair, and it smooths and softens the hair, providing moisture and manageability. The last product that I picked up is the Mint Almond Oil, and I figured I could use this to basically finish off my styling routine. I always use a hair oil at the end of my routine, and this is supposed to promote healthy hair and scalp. This is one of their best-selling products. This actually helps with dry scalp. It helps with hair shedding and adding moisture to your hair and all of those amazing things. I always love using an oil in my hair regimen. I'm gonna show you now exactly how I use these products, and of course the final results and my final thoughts on this product line. Starting off by cleansing the hair, I'm going in with the Detangling Co-Wash. This product has some amazing ingredients in it. It has some shea butter, it's got coconut oil, it has jojoba oil, all these natural ingredients that really helps to condition the hair, cleanse the hair without stripping it of its natural oils. So I just put this in my hair and kind of scrubbed my scalp a little bit like I normally would if I'm washing it, but I also combed it through like I would if I was putting a conditioner on my hair, and it did provide some pretty good slip. It's definitely a lightweight moisturizer. It's nothing too thick, and it, was pretty easy to detangle my hair. I also use a wet comb, like a wet brush, but it's a wet comb to help detangle my hair to prevent breakage. And with this product, supposedly the longer you use it, it does help to prevent breakage and shedding, so that's good. So now I rinse that out, and now it is time to put in my styling product, which I'm going in with the Avocado Hair Milk. This product is infused with a hydrating extract blend of botanicals and organic ingredients, which are great for smoothing and softening the hair to add moisture and manageability. Ingredients like honey, jojoba oil, aloe leaf juice, and many other great natural ingredients definitely make this a standout product. So I just added this like I would a typical styler. I went ahead and raked it through my hair, and I also smoothed it and scrunched it just like I would any other styler. It definitely feels like a light cream. I feel like I used quite a bit of this product, and it still never felt thick or sticky on the hair whatsoever. The only thing that worried me is that I'm used to using a gel product as well, so I wasn't sure how much hold this was going to give me. And of course, you guys already know, if you've seen any of my other styling videos, I always go in with my Ultimate T-shirt towel by Hair Repair to scrunch my hair. And then it was time to diffuse. So I just went through my normal styling routine. I went through my whole diffusing process. So I have one more product from MIELLE Organics that I'm going to test out, and this is the Mint Almond Oil for healthy hair and scalp. Let's smell it and see what we've got. Oh my goodness. Actually reminds me of like mint ice cream, like melted mint ice cream. Oh my God, that smells divine. I'm gonna use a little bit of this. I'm going to stand up and flip my hair over like I normally would, scrunch it in, and kind of shake out my roots. Let's go ahead and add the oil and let's see what our actual final results are.
So I used a few drops of this oil and I warmed it up between my hands and then went ahead and scrunched it in to my hair, and then also just shook out everything at the roots to help add a little bit of volume. It was looking a little bit flat, but this definitely helped to add a lot of shine, and it made my hair feel super soft.
These are the final results, and I have to say I do like the products. I love the oil. It's just a really nice consistency. It feels like it's really gonna stick to the hair and add that extra amount of shine, and it smells so good. Like, my hair smells like mint ice cream. The co-wash I'm not crazy about, and that's just because I don't usually do co-washes. I usually do shampoo and conditioner, so I feel like I need that extra moisture because I'm only washing about once a week. It does feel like it's kind of cleansing the hair while it's conditioning it, but it feels almost like a light conditioner to me, so I almost felt like I just needed something a little bit heavier. It's got a very, very light fragrance, which I think I just got up my nose, which is fantastic. I mean, overall, would I continue to use this? I mean, I'll still use it, but is it something that I will reach for a lot? Probably not. And then the Moisturizing Avocado Hair Milk. This product feels like it really coats the hair well. Like, I feel like I can smell a little bit of coconut or something. I'm used to using a cream product and a gel product, so I feel like I needed something to give my hair a little extra hold, but I don't feel like it turned out bad. I don't have the definition that I normally have. I feel like I've got a little bit more frizz. I'm not mad at the results. I feel like it still did a good job, and it didn't weigh my hair down, which is something that I'm always kind of concerned about. It felt very light. I got really good volume, I feel like, with this product. And yeah, I mean, overall, I'll definitely keep using this, and I'll probably add in a gel product with this just to see how, you know, this cream product and a gel product work together. Would I recommend these products? Absolutely. If you're a curly girl and you're looking for curly girl approved products, these are 100% curly girl method approved. Give them a try, see what you think. So if you've tried these products, I'd love to hear from you. Leave me a comment letting me know exactly what products you use from the MIELLE Organics line and how you use them. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel, and I will catch you in my next video. Peace out.